Hi, it's me again with Corel Tips and Tricks, and I just did a video about cloning this pattern where you could change it. And while it was loading, I started thinking this would be a really good case to use the interactive fill tool to see what it would look like real time across your cubes. So we're going to grab that white fill and go to our interactive fill tool and watch the cubes over to the left or over to the right. Now we're going to put we're going to make it like a shadow effect, kind of. Then we're going to put a really light gray up top. This way you could watch it, on one you can see it, but if you watch it to the right, what it's doing, it's pretty cool, where you could watch it in live, almost like it's, because if you had to make one and then duplicate it and go, oh, that didn't look very good. If you had it like this, where you could see what the fill actually looked at, and you don't have to use, colored or gray like I have to use. You could use, real colors and just see what the, and make it look like it's darker or lighter, make it kind of give it some shadow. You could move this thing around and watch the difference between that. Well, sometimes it's hard to grab that because this transparency tool gets in the way. But look at the difference. It's almost doing it live. And you go, wow, I like that, or I like that, I like that. You could do that to every single piece in here. Click on that item, interactive fill tool, and then grab that item and look at that. I mean, now let's make this one red at the bottom and yellow or orange at top, and then we need to go. I mean, it's really it's kind of fun to, if you'll just, I'm watching up here, if you'll watch over here, the thing change as you're doing this, and then move the slide bar down, and it's almost like you're cheating because you're working with some shadows and everything. So that's the clone tool, and you could still, make that yellow, still make this blue, and really get a neat effect. Anyway, I hope that helped just a little bit. Thank you for watching.